Hey, my name is TarmarinFrog and I'm going to teach you how I approach drawing cartoon hair. First, I'll go through some common shapes I use and practice them a bit. These wavy lines are great for making long wavy hair, as they give the hair a bit of curliness, but not too much. For straight hair, I use these sharp long triangle shapes with cuts in the end. For short hair, this tiny flame shape is great. So first let's draw the head. Keep in mind the direction of the face, so you know what side to draw the hair on. Then ears. Ears are important too, since the hair can rest behind the ear, it can divide the hair, or the hair can fully cover the ear. The ear can be an important part of the hairstyle if you want it to be. Then the hairline. That is where the hair starts on the face and it's above the forehead where the face ends. So this can be further down on the skull if your character is balding and if you want to emphasize the forehead size. With these points in mind, I can start applying the hair on the head. I use big, wavy shapes to lay down the structure of the head. Once I'm happy with the shapes and overall silhouette, I can refine the lines. Now for the details that are really going to give your hair personality and make it lively. First, I'll draw some thinner lines inside the big shapes to emphasize the direction and flow of the hair. I usually apply them near the line art. Also on areas where the shadows would fall. This makes the hair appear a bit heavier on these areas and lighter on tops. Next, unless your character is using hair products to keep their hair in place, there are gonna be some wild strands of hair around. You can show these by drawing some strands outside the line art, or you can draw small holes near the line art inside the hair. Finally, I'll add some very thin lines outside of the line art. These show a bit of messiness that every hair has. If you're coloring your drawing, you can use the hair color to emphasize the fact that these are just single hair strands. There we go.